Bienvenidos otra vez a otro video. Thank you for joining me on another video. As you all know, title. I changed my hair once again. Yes, I couldn't deal with the color of it. I decided to go with the darker hair color, un poco más oscuro, lo rojo, un poquito de negro, para no verme tan, pues, washed out. En mi video estoy hablando de unos productos que no recomiendo para nada. Claro, también voy a hablar de unos productos que uso. And for those of you that don't speak Spanish, I'm going to talk about some products I do not recommend, for the love of God, because that's why my hair is so short right now. I feel naked. I feel like, don't look at me, but oh well, hair is hair and it will grow and we're gonna have to learn. Of course, I'm also gonna share some products that I love and that I use. So let's do it. Welcome guys back to another video with your girl. If you haven't subscribed, yes, turn on the notification notes. So every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. First, you're gonna need a pair of gloves. I didn't find my brush, so I'm gonna use a toothbrush for the edges. Just because, why not? I'm gonna use this black. I wanted to go BlueBlack Natural from Revlon. And this red in color Dark Berry M68. And got to be metallics. I do have a story time. The reason my hair is so short, it hasn't been this short in years. Chit-chat. I'm thinking about having captions, tener letras aquí para que lean mientras hablo inglés o en español. But anyways, I'm gonna share with you guys. So I want to go blonde, and I always do my hair. Always. I don't go to the barber. I've done my hair since I was like in 5th grade. It was the first time I did some mechones, and it went well, but this one time I decided to go with a new product, and I've used it before, and I'm gonna show a little picture right here of a product that is. I don't have the boxes right now, but I do have a video of me recording, like doing the process. It fried my hair, completely fried it. I bought it at Sally's. It's from L'Oreal, and I always use bleach and everything. I was like, oh, you should have used bleach. Like, oh, I felt so stupid. I was like, oh my god, I should have went my god. I was like, what if it didn't work? And yeah, it didn't work. It fried my fucking hair. I was like, my so cheaply. So that's why it's so small, And I had it red, and I don't know why, but when I don't have makeup on, I really don't like this color. Like me fastidia verlo, me desespera. Pero por eso me voy a pintar esto aquí negro. Especially cuando traigo makeup, like, kind of like it a little bit more, pero cuando no traigo, like, siento que me veo bien washed out, like mi piel, like, I can't do nothing about my piel, si es mi piel. So, por eso me quería cambiar el pelo. Me lo quería pintar negro de enfrente, 2 mechones negros y lo demás rojo. I wanted to do 2 black strips right here and then the rest red. That's why I got that's what their toothbrush come in. Oh, you're gonna need one more thing. You're gonna need, I just have the top to it. You're gonna need like a little container, because I don't like mixing the whole thing since I'm not gonna use it all, especially for the black one. I'm just gonna eyeball it, estimate it, put it in there, just mix it, put it on, and this is the only part where I'm gonna be talking, but what I was trying to say, that if you really don't know much, if you're gonna decide to bleach your hair, like, that's what I'm talking about my friend Abigail, like, go to someone, that you can find that does it for a reasonable price, que no te cobra tan pinche caro, because I try to do it, and like, it literally fried my hair, and I love my hair, like, it's just a part of like who I am and how I dress, and I don't know. If you get me, you get me. If you don't, anyways. So yeah, and I'm just saying, you know, if you've done it before, stick to what you know. Like, don't really try no products. Like, if you're gonna try new products, try a mechón, like down here. Yo ahorita no traigo pelo, no, pero trátense un mechón acá atrás si van a tratar un nuevo producto para que no les vaya a dañar el pelo, porque yo me lo cambié todo, se me hizo chicle. Lo traigo chicle ahorita nada porque está seco, miren. Se ve ahí con la luz. Lo traigo hasta de diferentes tamaños. Pero ¿qué tiene? Que al cabo el pelo crece y uno amadurece y uno aprende, ¿verdad? So, pues, let's get to it. Okay, so I want you to know, les quiero dejar saber que me quité lo negro. I washed off the black. Now I'm gonna leave another extra 20 minutes on the red. That's why I have the bag on, and I wrapped the bag on it. Me voy a dejar otros 20 minutos lo rojo. Por eso me volví a poner otra bolsa. Lo negro ya me lo lavé. So, a ver qué pasa. Woo! So, es como lo tengo ahorita. So this is how it came out. Look at those colors. It looks so beautiful. I don't know, I think the camera does no justice for this nice ass color. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, share, like this. Bueno guys, eso fue todo. Thank you for joining me. I hope you learned something from this. I mean, you know, whatever. If you still want to go bleach it on and try L'Oreal, go ahead. L'Oreal, I do believe that you should stick to makeup products, not hair products, okay? Okay? Anyways, thank you. I hope you guys enjoy my final look. I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures, a little photo shoot, so you guys can see it at a like closer.